helping local farmers recover from recent hurricanes. That's the goal of this Farm Recovery Center in North Fort Myers. I'm Fox 4's North Fort Myers community correspondent Austin Shagorodsky. Since I work in this area every day, I came here to see how it's helping our ag community. Local, state, and federal agencies teamed up Wednesday to connect farmers with crucial resources. Brandon Grendel, a small poultry farmer and food stand owner, says he's moved beyond the recovery phase, but is still working to offset the costs of keeping his business running after the storms.
There's been a lot of the recovery process that was left on ourselves. We can't just, we're not a large farm that we can say, hey, I need infrastructure, I need this and that.
Grendel says today he found some useful information, including bridge loan options and programs to better prepare for future storms.
Got some other additional information on some of the environmental programs and some of the other stuff that works for me as a farmer to help us move forward and use some of those programs in the future.
FEMA's senior program analyst, Sabrina Spence, says this center is unique. Farmers can handle several needs in one place thanks to a partnership with the USDA and other agencies.
We could register you for your home with individual assistance and then immediately leave there, talk to SBA about potential if you know that's kind of the direction you're going to need to go, and go to Commerce and go to USDA to talk about your farming needs.
Spence says FEMA focuses on disaster relief, while the USDA specialists handle agriculture recovery, including crops, livestock, and homes. She added that aquaculture in this area, clammers, shrimpers, and fisheries, were hit especially hard. Joe Labadie, a USDA emergency management specialist, says it's about more than recovery. It's about supporting the people who keep us fed.
We believe that the American dream doesn't single out people who live in big cities. It's something that we believe belongs to all Americans, no matter where they live.
Even though this event lasted just one day, Labadie says these resources are available online or at local USDA offices. Reporting in North Fort Myers, I'm Austin Shagorodsky, Fox 4 News.